There's a new game in town and it's called 8 Metaballs. It's basically a billiards game in Decentraland where you can earn free NFTs. I apologize for the way that I sound, my nose is clogged and I'm not feeling too well, but let's get started. Okay, so once you're in Decentraland, you can access 8 Metaballs by going to Explore, then Places, and then jumping in here. So I'm already inside, so we can go inside the building. And since it's a pretty new game, it's currently on version 0.1.5. It's a little bit buggy, but you can get a beta tester NFT by playing 30 games. And the best thing about this game is you don't need to collect in-game coins in order to play pool. Another great thing is if you stay on the scene, you can get 10 pool balls each 15 minutes. But I think right now there is a bug because I'm not gaining 10 pool balls each 15 minutes, so that might be on the developer's side. Okay, so let's play a game of pool. So you can go straight ahead here, you can go to any colored table and just click on start game, and let's wait for this to load. So you'll be given a simple queue and it'll show how much you'll get, so 35 plus balls, and then the experience as well. And one tip here is you can jump on top so you can see a better view of the pool table and the angle. And right now I'm level 5, but you'll start off of course at level 1. There is a timer, and this is how many times you need to get the corresponding balls in the pocket. And then hits, it's unlimited, which is great, so you don't need to worry about making every hit count. So the controls is really simple. E and F to move, to rotate, and then 1 and 2 to fine tune, which is basically finding the right spot so that you hit the ball at an angle. Okay, so let me try to get this yellow ball in, and you have to make sure that it's the correct ball that you're getting, and usually it'll have this red marker here. Okay, and then hold shift and let go when you think it's good. So that's the power and hit button. So let's get the blue one. Let me rotate. And again, if you want a better view, just go on top of the pool table. Let me rotate, fine tune. I think that's good. I'm just gonna add a little more power here. Nice. So for this one, I'm gonna do 2 hits. And let's put the cue ball or the white ball in the middle so that I have a better chance of getting the red ball in. So not too much power. I think that's good. Doesn't have to be right at the center. Let me put the angle, fine tune. I think that's good. Let's see. Okay, great. And just 1 or 2 more. So we get the blue ball. So let me rotate, and we can try to get it at an angle. So I'm going to do full power here. Nice. And then the last one is the orange. So let me rotate, and we're good for time, so there's like 90 seconds left. And let's fine tune. This should be an easy one. So I think that's good. We might be hitting the corner. I think that's good. Okay, put some power into it. Nice. So that's it. So we got 35 pool balls and 35 experience. Okay, so usually this would come up. You just need to click on login, and you can head over to the wall. You can see your own score and other people's scores, so the top 9. And if you get enough pool balls, you can exchange them for these NFTs. And there's a total of 16, and once you get all 16 of these pool ball NFTs, you can exchange it for this billiard jacket, which looks pretty cool. So I really enjoyed this game, and I think it has a lot of potential. If you head over this side, you can see this section is blocked off. So the devs are probably making or updating something for upstairs. It might be a new game or something like competitive mode. But for now, it's blocked off, so we'll see when that happens. You can follow them on Twitter and Discord as well for more updates. One last thing that I want to show you is this kind of icon that looks like a poker chips. So let's open up the Q shop, which is on the right, and you can pretty much exchange them for Q sticks. So glass Q being the best, and then classic Q being the next one after simple Q. And right now it's not implemented in the game, but you can head on over to OpenSea, and as you can see, this classic Q is worth $6 and there's about 100 left. And the glass Q here is 95 left, and that costs $30, which is not too bad. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how you liked 8 meta balls. It's Crypto Hokage, and I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.